In this video, we will introduce you to how to adjust the portafilter fork. When you start to use CINOART Automatic Tamper PTB-MY, you should adjust the portafilter fork first. You can put the portafilter and check if the portafilter can be moved to the right-left side. If you can move the portafilter to both sides, it means the portafilter fork is not in the right position. Because when you put the portafilter inside, even PTB-MY can tamp your ground coffee, but you can't tamp very well each time. If the portafilter moves to the left or right side, the center of the basket is not in the same line as the tamper disc. That's why we suggest you adjust the portafilter fork first. If you use the PTB-MY like this, the portafilter is not in the correct position. There is a risk to damage the motor of your PTB-MY. You can use the screwdriver to loose the two screws, and then move the fork. You should use your portafilter to check the position to make sure the portafilter can go in and out smoothly. Then you can tighten the screws. There are some horizontal lines for your reference when you adjust the fork to make sure the fork is balanced. And then to check if the position is correct with your portafilter to make sure your portafilter can access smoothly, and it can't be moved to the left or right side. It means the portafilter fork is in the right position. So we can switch on PTB-MY to check the function. In the end, we want to remind you to make sure your portafilter can't be moved to the left or right when you adjust the portafilter fork. Thank you.